In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your ClickUp Workspace. Logging in is quick and straightforward, and if you've signed in to other platforms before, this will feel familiar. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or launching the app. On the welcome screen, look for the Log In option. When the sign-in page appears, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. Type in the email address associated with your ClickUp account and your password. Take a moment to double-check for typos. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and confirm everything looks right before you continue. For your privacy and security, avoid entering your credentials on shared or untrusted devices, and never share them in chats or screenshots. If you prefer an even faster route, you can sign in using your Google account. Choose the Continue with Google option. Select your Google profile and authorize the connection. This is convenient because you won't have to remember an extra password. Just keep in mind the trade-offs. Using a third-party sign-in means your access depends on that provider, and certain basic account information may be shared to complete the login. If you're on a public computer, make sure you don't stay signed in after you're done. Once you submit your details or complete the Google sign-in, give ClickUp a moment to load. You might see a spinner or a short delay while your workspace initializes. That's completely normal. Don't worry if it takes a bit. Avoid refreshing the page repeatedly. A stable internet connection and a little patience are all you need here. After it finishes loading, you'll land in your workspace. You should see your spaces, tasks, or dashboard, confirming that you're successfully signed in. From here, you're ready to get to work and navigate to whatever you need, whether that's checking your tasks, viewing your calendar, or jumping into your projects. That's the full process. To recap, open ClickUp, choose Login. Either enter your email and password or continue with Google. Wait for the workspace to load, and you're in. Simple, fast, and reliable. I hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. If you'd like more detailed and in-depth tutorials on features that take a bit more time to learn, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.